On 21st of April, instead of sitting at my desk for a normal Tuesday, I am going to be on my feet for my full 7.5 hour shift, running as far as I can. And I'm doing it for an incredible charity, Glasgow and Clyde Rape Crisis. As a woman who runs, I'm aware of personal safety all the time. Before I leave the house in the morning, I need to consider the time of day, the lighting outside, what route I'm going to take, who's around, all of these types of things. And that awareness is part of why this charity is so important to me. Glasgow and Clyde Rape Crisis are here to support women and girls in the Glasgow and Clyde area who've experienced rape or sexual violence. I'll be spending the full length of a normal working day on my feet, running as far as I can. Now, I am already a runner, but the furthest that I've ever run is 24 kilometres, and this is going to take me past the marathon distance and well into the ultra marathon territory. It's going to be really tough, but this challenge is bigger than me, and it's about what that kind of effort can do for other people. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing my training. The long runs, the doubts, the fueling experiments that will most likely go wrong, everything that goes into staying moving for 7.5 hours. I want to show the journey honestly, and I want to use this platform to raise as much awareness and support for the cause as I possibly can. I'll be speaking with people from the charity, as well as experienced ultramarathon runners, to learn more about the work they do and what this kind of challenge really involves. If you want to follow the full journey, from the training right through to the run itself, then subscribing means you won't miss any of it. I'm so grateful that my employer has agreed to match everything that I raise, which means that every donation that you make is essentially doubled. This is a chance to turn a single working day into real impact for survivors of sexual violence. You can help in lots of ways, donating of course, but also sharing this video or following the journey. Every bit of support counts. My goal is to raise awareness, highlight safety concerns for solo runners, and complete a minimum of 60 kilometres. But with your help, we can make this much bigger. The donation link is in the description. Every pound counts. Every share counts. Let's turn a workday into miles for a cause that really matters. Thank you.